Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Today we'll do again integration part 3. This is further definite integration. Definite integration we have discussed in part 2 since it has only one solution. Indefinite means many solutions, indefinite solution. Definite integration has one solution. So let us evaluate some complicated definite integrals. Given that y is 3x upon square root x square plus 5, find dy upon dx and then hence evaluate the value from limit or range 0 to 2, 3 upon this. Now dy upon dx we have already done in part 1 as well using quotient rule. If it is u upon v, then we say v differentiate u minus u differentiate v upon v square. So when we do v square, the square root gets removed. This 3x becomes 3 when we differentiate like that, and the square root gives you 1 upon 2. So now this 3 we take here, and then this 2 gets cancelled, so we get 3x square, because this x and 3x into x is 3x square upon this. Now we can take LCM, or we can multiply numerator and denominator by square root x square plus 5. So it shifts here, so it becomes 3 into x square plus 5, 3 in bracket, and this comes down. So next step will be 3 in bracket x square plus 5 minus 3x square, and then we can simplify it. 3 5 is 15, 3x square minus 3x square, it will get cancelled. When we multiply this, we will get cancelled, and down we have square root x square plus 5 the whole cube, because it is like x into root x. So x means x raised to 1. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 upon 2 will give you x raised to 3. So it is cube root, square root cube root, or you can write x 3 upon 2, where you can say square root of x cube. So these are basics you have to understand. So we got this step clear. Now we are finding the definite range from 0 to 2. The value is already with us. So what we did, we multiplied numerator and denominator by 5. So here we got 5 out, and then we have written this 15 upon x square plus 5 the whole cube, because here was 3, so we multiplied 5 here and we multiplied 5 here. This 5 we have taken out. Why? Because we want to make it 15 to substitute the value. Now we got the value of this is 3x, because 1 upon 5 is out and limit is 0 to 2. Now this is the value. This is the value which we got. Y is 3x upon root. So we have substituted y, integration of that. And then you substitute the value of x. First you substitute 2. So it becomes 6 upon 4 plus 5. And then you substitute 0. So 0 upon 0 plus 5. So the answer is, here you will get 9 means 3. This will give you the value 3. 3 and 6 you can cancel. So you got 2. And here you will get 0 upon anything is 0. So 2 upon 5. Clear? Let us go quick. Y is given, you have to find dy upon dx, and then you have to just find the value of 2x, sin 2x dx. You know cos x will become sin x. So now let y is x2x. So dy upon dx x. So here we are applying u into v product rule. So you have said u differentiate v. So cos 2x has become minus 2 sin 2x. And then so it is v into differentiate u plus u into differentiate v. So x differentiation is 1. X becomes 1. This is product rule. So now cos 2x is positive, so we have taken first, and then minus 2x sin x. Again we have taken this limit from 0 to pi by 6, and the value is as it is. Now you substitute it, because it is given y is x2x. So we have written x to x, range is 0 to pi by 6. Integration, opposite. So we are not writing plus c, they are cos 2x, so we have separated them. This we have equated, cos 2x sin x dx, and this we have just separated them. This we have written with the limit, and this we have written with the limit. Now we have substituted the value pi upon 6 first. Pi upon 6 means 30 degree. So it becomes pi upon 6 cos 2 into pi upon 6. So 2 and pi upon 6 will give you pi upon 3. Pi upon 6 will give you pi upon 3. Now you know pi upon 3 is cos 60. Cos 60 is sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So we got pi upon 6 into 1 upon 2, which gives you pi upon 12. This becomes 0. Anyways, 0 into cos 0 is 1, but 0 into 1 will give you 0. So the value is pi upon 12. Now this is negative, so we are shifting this side. So we'll write this limit and equate to half sin 2x. So next step will be, we have shifted, this value was negative this side, and now half sin 2x. So we have substituted the value pi upon 6 first. So half, as I told you, pi upon 6, 2 into pi upon 6 will give you pi upon 3. And here sin pi upon 3, so sin pi upon 3 means sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. So it became root 3 upon 4. This became root 3 upon 4 minus pi upon 12. So your answer, you have taken 12 LCM, so 3 root 3 minus pi upon 12. Let us move further. Area under a curve. So when you have area under a curve, we can find the area. If dA upon dx is y, then we can find a will be integration y dx. So whatever function is given, you just integrate it. Now range is given from a to b. So limit a to b fx dx, we can find the area between these two variables or numbers. Let us do one sum, find the area of a shaded region. Now this is the curve, this is the function given to you, y is x square. As we have discussed, the formula is y equal to a to b fx dx. So here a is 2, b is 3, the range is given 2 to 3. Simple. So x cube, when we differentiate, you integrate, so it is x raised to 3 upon 3. You must be knowing xn becomes xn plus 1 upon n plus 1 when we integrate. Okay, so we have written that way only, x cube upon 3. These basics we have already done. Now substitute 3 first, so 27 upon 3, then substitute 2, so 8 upon 3, and answer comes 6 integer 1 upon 3. Easy. Let us do 2 more. Here find the area of shaded region again. The range is given 1, 2, 3, and the function this time is y is 1 plus e raised to half x. So when you integrate, 1 will become x, and this half becomes denominator, and e raised to remains as it is. Now substitute 3 first. So when we substitute, or you simplify, 2 goes up. In next step 2 goes up, and now we are substituting the value. So e raised to 3 upon 2, and then 1 plus this. So when we simplify, we get 3 minus 1 is 2, and then we subtract. So 2e raised to 3 upon 2 minus 2e raised to 1 upon 2. So I have taken 2 outside because 2 is everywhere, and then here I can take root e. E 1 upon 2 means root e, square root e. So when I take square root e out, it remains e here, and here remains 1 because 2 has already gone out. Now e value is 1.649. You can use calculator and get the answer. So it is twice 1 plus root e is 1.649, and e is 1.718. The value of e is 2.718. 2.718 the value of e. And when we simplify, we get 7.666. We can write a 3 significant figure, 7.67 unit square, since it's area. Let us do one more. Find the area of the shaded region. Again, now this is curve, and the function is given x square minus 3x. The pattern is same from 0 to 3. It is given from 0 to 3. So 0 to 3, you can put the limit x square minus 3x. X square will be x cube upon 3. 3x will be 3 upon 2 because this is degree 1. And then we substitute the value and we got our answer minus 4.5. So area is 4.5 unit square. We don't write negative. Now find the total area of the shaded region. Now this is in two parts. This is one part and this is second part. So first part is 0 to pi and second part is pi to 3 pi by upon 2. Now the function is y equal to 2 sin x. So first we found 0 to pi 2 sin x. So it becomes minus 2 sin x is minus cos x. And then we separated them, minus 2 cos x minus 2 cos 0. We differentiate. And then we substitute the value. We substitute once pi and then 0. We got answer 4. Now we go for the same function from pi to 3 pi by 2. Again we differentiated the same pattern. We got minus 2 cos x. When we substitute the value cos 3 pi by upon 2, you can get the answer 0 because it will be 270. 270 is minus 0. That's cos 90 is 0 same way. Cos 270 and cos 0 is 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. So here you got minus 2 into minus 1, which gives you 2. So answer is minus 2 again. So total area will be 4 plus 2 because area we don't write negative. So it was 4 plus 2, 6 square unit. Here we learn again area of regions bounded by a line and a curve. So this is curve. This is also curve. So now we'll learn about line and curve, but these are two curves. So what is happening here? If two functions fx and gx intersect at x is equal to a, here it is intersecting. Two functions and x is equal to b here. So two places it is intersecting. Then the area of enclosed figure of two curves. These are two curves given to you, or it may be one line and one curve. So you find a to be fx and again a to be gx. Subtract it. So upper minus lower you subtract. Here see this question. The curve y is equal to x square minus 4. So this is the curve. X square minus 4 is this curve. And intersect x-axis at point A and B. So this is point A and this is point B. What we don't know the value or the coordinates of A and B. And a line x y equal to x minus 2. This is the line given to you. Linear function will give you line. Quadratic function will give you curve. So here B and C, this is cutting at B and C, this line. So 3 points we have to calculate. Find the coordinates of A, B, C. You can easily calculate. You just equate these lines, you will get the value of where they are intersecting. These 2 points you can find the value of B because this line and they both are cutting the curve here, C and B. So what we did here, we can say x square y is 0. Where y is 0? Here y is 0. There also y is 0. On x-axis y is 0. So what we did, x square minus 4 we equate to 0 here. So we got two values, one positive 2 and one negative 2. So here you will get 2 minus 0 and there you will get minus 2 comma 0 because you got 2 points. Okay, so A is minus 2 comma 0, B is 2 comma 0 for intersection of curve. Now you can equate this to get this C point. Equate these two. So x square minus 4 is x minus 2 to get this point. Okay, because it was intersecting at the x-axis, so we equated to 0 because y is 0 here. On x-axis y is 0. Here we are equating like simultaneous equation. So we are equating two equations. So now we got one quadratic equation. So minus 2, we have to split the middle term. This is product is negative and integer you need minus 1. So sign will be big, so minus 2 and 1. Product is negative, then you will get opposite sign. So x square minus x minus 2. You can write x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. This is factorization simple. You can take x common, so x minus 2. You can take nothing is common means 1 is common, x minus 2. So So x minus 2 in one bracket and x plus 1 in other bracket. So you have to equate these brackets. So you got your answer, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Since this is lying in third quadrant, so x is negative. So we have to discard x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is discarded or rejected. This is rejected because this point is lying in third quadrant where both negative, x and y both are negative. So C is minus 1 and 3 because we substituted minus 1 and we got the value of y. So we got all the coordinates. Now they are asking area. Area between this shaded region they are asking. So you go with x minus 2 is getting this range from minus 1 to 2. And this range is also from minus 1 to 2. Both are having this range. So again upper minus lower. So this line is up and this curve is down. So we have differentiated and we have put the limit. And we simplified because it is minus integration the same limit. So we have subtracted and we got x plus 2 minus x square. When you integrate, you get x square upon 2, 2x, x cube upon 3. Simple integration and substitute 2. Then you substitute minus 1 and you get answer 4.5 unit square. I hope it was clear to you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your contacts for a social cause. Thank you very much. May God bless you.